good morning from day 2 in Iceland. This sun here, now that is a big lie, because it made me skip sunrise this morning. It was completely cloudy. I looked out, it was kind of rainy. I was like, you know what? It's gonna be a long day. Today is one of the most intense days. Look how cute this Airbnb is. So we have a big walk, big hike to the airplane crash. So I kind of wanted to save a little bit of energy. So that's why I didn't do the sunrise. And the light looks really good. Let's hope it lasts, because yesterday was completely mess in weather. It was sunny and then raining and then sunny and raining. It was completely mess. Let's hope the weather holds up like this today. There's quite a lot of stuff happening today, and I am almost late. So yeah, thank you for being here. Make sure you like, subscribe, drop a comment. Finishing to pack up our stuff, cleaning the Airbnb, and time to hit the road. And we made to Skógafoss, one of the places I was most looking forward on this trip. And already from the road where you can start seeing, you can see how impressive it is. I'm so far away, but I can already hear it. I can already see the spray from it. But let me shut up and show you the place. This place is amazing, it's beautiful, it's kind of everything that you expect it to be. Look at that, just look at that. Obviously there is a lot of people, you have to walk around, take your photos around them, probably do a lot of cleanup. My artistic choice was not to do a long exposure of this waterfall, because I think it misses the personality of the waterfall. It is such a strong fall of water that if you do a long exposure and make it smooth, I think it takes out all the personality and all the strengths of the nature. So I chose not to go for a long exposure, instead a very high shutter speed. This place is beautiful, and around that direction you can see the glaciers that we're going to be visiting today already, but it's such incredible view, it's such an incredible place. I don't really want to go for this place, but as you can expect, we are already late. Next stop is Kvernufoss, which is either a small drive or a decently short hike from here.
Kvernufoss was just a short drive and a short hike away, but honestly it feels like a hidden gem. A beautiful waterfall that reveals itself slowly with way less people around. That gave me much more creativity freedom to fly, to explore, and obviously to photograph. The real highlight of the waterfall? Being able to walk behind it, photograph from that different perspective, and even add a human element to the photo to show it to scale. Our next stop was the Sólheimajökull glacier, and please again, don't judge me by my pronunciation of Icelandic words. From this moment onwards, the weather went full Iceland mode. Heavy rain kept us in the car for over an hour, but eventually got a short window to explore. Flying the drone above the glacier was definitely the highlight of this stop. Seeing it from above, with all its textures and patterns, was absolutely unreal. Next time I definitely want to explore the ice caves as well. headed to the Solheimasandur plain bread. Originally, we planned to hike the full route, but after losing time in the rain, we chose the shuttle, and that was a great decision. As soon as we arrived to the plain, the rain poured down. I had less than 5 minutes to fly the drone and try to take some photos and videos before I had to take over in the plane. Next stop was the Diaries viewpoint, overlooking black sand beaches and the famous Diaries Arch. This was easily the windiest place of the trip, and with rain added to the mix, we barely stepped outside the car. Weather quickly showed us who was in control. After a quick stop at the viewpoint, without even taking the camera out of the car, we soon headed to the next stop. When we arrived, we had a very short break in the rain. That gave us time to explore, but that didn't last very long either.
The weather today has been nothing if not Icelandic. We had a beautiful morning, and from there it was just downhill. Pretty much everywhere else that we went was very windy and very rainy. As it is here now, I'm really hoping the weather's gonna be a little bit more flexible with us in the next few days. Still, the drama matches the personality of this place. We are in the black sand beach with the sea stacks behind. And the black sand, obviously not going to be sunset, because my plan for sunset was just there behind those columns. That's where the sun is setting, behind the arch.
From there, we headed east to the city of Vik, our final photo stop of the day. Our target was Vik's church, that sits on top of the hill. From a higher viewpoint, the cliffs and the sea stacks we just visited became the backdrop. And with this moody weather, it just felt like the perfect way to wrap day number 2.
Now, I'm gonna end up today's video here because the weather is horrible. I'm wet, I'm cold, I am getting grumpy. It was a very Icelandic day, so make sure you like the video, subscribe, drop a comment. And this was the plan for tomorrow's sunrise, but I'm not coming back here unless it's really worth it, unless I'm sure the weather is gonna be good. So I'll figure out a different plan for tomorrow's sunrise. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for being here. Do all those things, and I'll see you tomorrow.